Hi, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very, very happy and excited to be in your face again. And this time around, I want to show you how we caught a USDJPY trade yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my Telegram channel, and I shared this trade before. No, this was before the trade activates. This one when it activates, switching to 5 minutes time frame, and this was when uh my execution also activate right here. I shared it here on my Telegram. This was the second trade. This trade is still running. I'm going to still show you. And this was when the trade is moving seriously in profit. You can see it, and you can also see it on my trading view right here. And when the trade eventually smashed my TP, you guys can see it right about here. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, remember every morning we do forex live trading. Live trading, you can see this was this morning. We just concluded this morning one. Yesterday we just concluded this. I couldn't call this trade live yesterday because it was later after the live, because before I finally discovered this, I'm still going to be talking about it. But this trade was called live on live trading on YouTube yesterday. You should always join. You should always join. In fact, Jeffrey Benson watched it the last time, and he gave me a lot of kudos and then telling me that come on, just keep doing it. So now let's quickly go to my chart. Let's see what the trade looks like right now. Now this is the trade. What generated this trade? This trade happens last week. I got a setup right here, and that setup eventually hit stop loss. Though I didn't wait for it to hit my stop loss, I get out at little loss around this area. So I get out, and eventually the trade is stop loss. So why the trade is stop loss? One simple thing about one principle about my simple concept strategy is that anytime the trade it deactivate, invalidate, let me use that word, invalidate a valid setup, is going to come back to reclaim it. And that's what happens here. Because after this invalidation has happened, I was waiting for market to come back to reclaim it and do the sell down. But the market did not sell because I was waiting for confirmation. And there's another principle I know about a simple concept is that at least market usually, when market violate a valid setup, market does not usually how do I put it this time around so you understand me? Okay, there's a POI. If that POI is violated, like invalidated once, market can still invalidate it second times, but it is very, very rare for market to invalidate or disrespect a valid POI three times. It's very, very rare. So for the fact that it's, you can see right here, this is a POI here. This market violated here. I was waiting, positioning myself to catch the sell that is going to retest it and reclaim it and continue to the sell. But because I was waiting for confirmation, and because I knew that the market might not really want to do that, it might just violate it the second time. So I was waiting for confirmation, because the confirmation did not I didn't get the confirmation, so the market just blew up, and I was patiently waiting for the third time because I know that third time I must get it. So how do I now get it? I just had to be like, okay, the market now came, retest it, was doing something like this. I was waiting for confirmation. I went to 15 minutes time frame to wait for a break of structure, and I got that break of structure. Immediately I got the break of structure, I now reposition myself, going to lower time frame to get my entry. And then you can see the way the market gave us a snipe, and then we smash our TP. Simple concept, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the CHF still running in profit. You can see it, the one I called live yesterday. You should always join us every morning live by 10 a.m. Nigerian GMT plus one time. So we do this every day, absolutely. And you can also join our mentorship. It is absolutely affordable. $50 for group mentorship, $200 for one-on-one. The price is still going to change, of course, because this is the first time I'm rolling out mentorship, and that's why the price is this cheap. You can still join. It's going to end maybe next month. So, but I'm not going to wait till next month before we stop the payment, because when we get to a stage whereby I know that you not get whatever we've been teaching there again, I'll just stop collecting new students, and we're going to wait for the next batch, and next batch is going to be more pricey than what we have right now. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time today. See you another time when we smash another TP. We've been smashing a lot of TP lately, but I didn't really have the time to do this, but I said I'm going to be consistent back. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you another time. Bye for now, guys. Bye.